We're back in the attic. The installation has been completed, so I wanted to show you guys what it looked like now. It's actually a few months later, but the attic's still wonderful, clean place to be. You can see we've got the tapes and the depth of the wall insulation, and yeah, we'll let you scan around and see what the final job looks like. Thanks for watching, and check us out at goodspacebuilders.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.